Everyone, my name is Manish Balaram Kene, studying in second year M.Pharm in pharmaceutics department at Dr. L.H. Ranandani College of Pharmacy. Today we will see how the single punch tablet compression machine works. You can see that this is a single punch tablet compression machine. Here you can see the lower punch. This is upper punch. This is a die which will determine the shape and size of the tablet. Here you can see the hardness adjuster. With the help of spanner we can adjust the hardness of the tablet from left to right. The hardness will decreases, from right to left hardness will increases. Next we will see how the weight of the tablet will adjust with the help of rod in same manner. That is when move from left to right, the weight will decreases, and when we will move from the right to left, the weight will increases. Next you can see how the tablet will compress between these two punches. Next, rotate the wheel in clockwise direction. Here you can see how the tablet Here you can see the compressed tablet with the help of single punch tablet compression machine. Thank you.